हाय गाइस, सो अभी मेरे फ्रेंड ने नई गाड़ी ली है भाई, तो मैं नाइट शिफ्ट करके काम से आया था एंड दिस गाय हैज ब्रॉट अ न्यू कार, नॉट दिस गाय, behind him he's bought a new car, the Mahindra XUV 3XO. Okay, so let's straight away start from the engine bay. Let me open it. It's very heavy. So as you can see, 1.5 liter 3 cylinder. Days are gone for the 4 cylinder one. Alright, this is the engine bay. Creates around 130 PS of power at the crank and 117 PS around at the wheels at 230 Newton meters of torque. And okay, this is very heavy. Okay, alright, so this is the front profile of the car. As you can see, it's really very good. Looks better than in pictures. In pictures it felt really weird. So yes, tire profile will be around 215 55 R17, so 17 inches. Alright, so we are inside the cabin right now and let's start away the car, where the car comes to the life. As you can see, full swipe, digital instrument cluster, digital big screen, analog days are also gone, manual. So we're gonna drift on this, and this guy has bought this car, hope you can see him. Big panoramic sunroof, and okay, I'm not very good at it. I'm very good at driving, so let's launch. The car is start now, and as you can see, the 3-cylinder doesn't feel that much vibrational in the engine inside the car. So let's see how, till what RPM does it rev to. Okay, so maximum 4000 RPM. So now it's time to launch the car. Right, so let's start driving this car into the first gear, city driving mode. Okay, the car is very powerful at lower RPM, so car gets, I guess, the RPM. It comes the torque, 230 Newton meters of torque comes in at under 1500 RPM, which stays up till 3500 RPM, and peak power gets till 5000 RPM. So I think as per city driving style, it is a really very nice car to drive. So it's really very good. As you can see, very lightweight steering wheel. Of course, the steering weight feels artificial at certain point, but still feels really very good. So now the person who has bought this car, of course, has upgraded from his G-Wagon, of course the G-Wagoner. So now we can't even complain. So it's really very powerful. Some things which I might even nitpick as well would be a 4-cylinder engine, but come on, it's my point of view at the end of the day. But the car is very ready to go. As you can see, the car just pulls insane. So I don't have a proper gear to shoot right now, so we are shooting with my mobile phone. And as you can see, the G-force which can be felt into the cabin. So the car is ready to move. This level of agileness I have felt in the Ford EcoSport when I've driven one. That time I don't used to have license, so I used to drive illegally. But now that I do have a driver's license, but as you can see, the car just wants to launch. So it's a really very fun to drive car. Now in terms of city driving, it's very good. If you want to maneuver in such kind of small roads, it would be very easy to move over. The suspension is at a great balance, I would say, not at very soft and not very stiff. So great dynamics. Of course, the Ford EcoSports feel very agile, but this one also feels very good. No worries. Now let me get into a straight patch of road and let me show you how it is good to launch. Okay, let's go. Cut kar de bhai. Now what we're gonna do is air conditioning off, traction control, let me get it off. Okay, traction control off, steering into sports mode, first gear. Okay, I'm not gonna launch it because of course it's a new car, it hasn't got even first service yet. But alright, so first gear, let's check the pull. First gear 45 RPM, second gear it just pulls till 5,500 RPM, and third gear it's absolutely awesome to drive this car. So alright guys, this was a very random video of reviewing a particular car. I always wanted to do this kind of things, and I think I didn't have a proper gear to shoot the car, but I guess so. This is it. Looks like staying awake after the work finally worth it. So on this fantastic note, I guess the fantastic quote I would end with: if the last thing I can do is drive a car, I'll take that life 1,000 times. On this fantastic note, this is Bhavin Purohit signing off. Bye bye.